Hey everyone, Sawmill Charlie. Well, it's that time of year again. It's November the 2nd on a Saturday. I'm going to start my third phase of my mite treatment program. To do a recap, I started out in late July through August with Aprovar. And then the second treatment was Formic Pro, and I put that on the hives September the 2nd. It was cool, low humidity, perfect for Formic Pro. Then after that was done, I went ahead and fed my bees sugar water 2-to-1. Now it's time for me to do the third part of my mite treatment program using oxalic acid vapor. I'll be doing that approximately twice a month throughout the winter up until the 1st of March. Hopefully, depending on weather conditions, it's got to be at least 45 degrees for the cluster to be loose inside the hive, but the bees are not really flying, so I can close the hive up tight as much as possible to keep the vapor in. Now, I bought a ProVap vaporizer several years prior to the new vaporizers that are out that are battery operated. And of course it's corded and you have to have electricity. That's why I have over here a Honda generator, and I run a 100-foot extension cord and just move my truck down the line of hives as I get done. I did upgrade to a doser, as I call it. I have oxalic acid in this old peanut can, and I just jab this into the oxalic acid, and it goes up in the tip here and measures out the 4 grams that most everybody uses. And then I block the entrance off of my nukes with these pieces of styrofoam insulation. They are 1.5 by 2. They're a little bit longer just so they fit in nice and snug. And then when I'm doing the 10 framers, I have these blocks to block off the front end. And same way, they're a little bit longer where they actually get right in between the bars on the hive. And then, of course, the most important thing is a respirator when you're doing oxalic acid vapor. This is an absolute must, and this is what I use all the time. I also have screen bottom boards. This Coroplast board here is used for the nukes. I slide it in the slides underneath the bottom board, and of course this big one is for the 10 framer. And then I hold those Coroplast boards up tight underneath the thing with a homemade wedge. I put about 4 of them on the 10 frame hives, 2 in the back where I put the vaporizer on the nukes, and possibly 1 in the front of the nuke to keep that Coroplast up tight, trying to keep all the vapor inside the hive as much as possible. So we're going to go ahead and start vaporizing today, and I'll bring you along with me. All right, everyone, here is the entrance to a nuke. As you can see, I've put the styrofoam entrance blocker in here along with this nuke here. Now, it doesn't have the wedges in the front here because the Coroplast doesn't come all the way through on these bottom boards. So we'll go back to the rear of the hive and I'll show you that. All right, we're at the rear of the nukes right now, and as you can see, the wedges are right here on left and right of the Coroplast, and of course the hole in the middle there is where I stick my vaporizer in. Here's another entrance where you put the vaporizer in along with the wedges that hold the Coroplast up tight. All right, I'm here at the hive, and the generator is running in the background, and the vaporizer is warming up. Here's my applicator or doser And here is my oxalic acid in my peanut can. All I do is jab it down in there, kind of pack the oxalic acid up in the tube here. And of course, all you have to do with the plunger is to push it down and it knocks it out. And then of course it's ready again for the next hive. So as soon as it gets up to temperature, we will go ahead and start vaporizing these hives. All right, we're up to temperature, and we're going to go ahead and put the vaporizer in the hive and vape the hive. Stick it in the hole. And I've put this little support underneath there to keep the thing from bending my copper pipe. And there it is, it's vaporizing. And the temperature meter is going down. The front foam block was a little loose. Kind of hold it in tight to keep the vapor in. All right, we're back up to temperature, so the vaporization is over with. We'll go ahead and pull a unit off. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching me vaporize my hives with my oxalic acid vaporizer. I'm going to continue on and do the rest of the hives this afternoon. So until next time, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, share my videos with your friends, and have fun with your bees.